ZENY art desk review, just a real quick video of this. So you can see this is like an art station. There's two of them there. And then under here, I'll show you. So this can actually raise. You can see the mechanism of how it works. I'll zoom in there. So you can see there's a whole lot of different heights that you can actually take this thing to. So right now it's raised right here. So if you want to raise it up, all you do is just grab that, move it up, and you can just keep raising it up there. So it's super easy. And this is the second level of this. So it can go like pretty much, it's got all sorts of cool stuff. But it's a really nice table. So much straight at you is the other part of it. Now over here, the last thing is it does have pencil holder, holders up here, brush holders, things like that. It has this that moves. It's really nice. But yeah, overall, it's an extremely nice table. It does come with a really nice stool. So if you're looking for one, definitely get this. A lot of times they're on sale. And just know that this thing is very high quality. We're going through a lot of different paint things, accessories and things like that, as you can tell. So the cool thing about it is this side table, so if you're looking at this, definitely grab one. You can actually see it goes in and out. So if you want to push that in, push it out, you can do that. And it's a very thick type of compressed wood. So you can see it has a garter here. So if you want to put brushes, things like that, you can. It does have these little drawers. So it's just like a little cloth drawer. You can take out, put these in